Hello guys! Happy morning! It's rainy morning today. Meron kaming mga bayabas na nakuha, Daddy. Thank you! So ito guys, may guava naman ako. So this is our guava tree guys. Oh, diba? Bisaya lang ito, pero ang dami ng bunga guys. Oh, tingnan nyo, marami yung bunga niya. So, masarap ito kainin guys. This is Philippine guava. O, mga ano lang ito. Maliit. Hindi naman ganun kaliit. Oh. Daming nag-attack guys. Oh. Oh. Wow! Guava talaga guys. Daming guava. Ito pala how easy to pick up. Mataas yung guava. Oh. Ginagamit ni Daddy yung sasakyan guys. So easy na to pick up. Oh. Wow! Daming hinog guys. Marami talaga ang hinog. Daddy B, may I see Daddy? Oh? Wow! Oh. Happy morning talaga. May guava na. This is rich in vitamin C. O, diba?